So our brew house and our brewing operation, as well as the tap room itself, use a significant amount of electricity, but it's a lot of instantaneous usage. So our peak demand is significant. Solar is something that's been kind of on the back of my mind, especially since we got our first few electric bills and saw the rates and saw the peak demand that our equipment puts out. And, you know, it really quickly jumped to the forefront of our projects that we were looking to execute, because it will have such an immediate impact on our bottom line. I'm really looking forward to the battery system helping us with our peak shaving to reduce those instantaneous demands and those loads, and really give us a big benefit going forward for that. The other benefit is, you know, the backup side of things, where if we lose power in the middle of service, we can continue just like nothing happened, right? And it's seamless to the customer. We have that as an added kind of benefit, right? Buffalo Solar really walked us through everything and took care of everything on our behalf, right? So the NYSERDA credit, the federal tax credit, spelling out how that's going to work for us so that we can file it on our taxes, submitting the grant on our behalf for the REAP grant that we're eligible for, really working through all those incentives was, completely, off my plate, which is really, really nice. You really should reach out to them, have Buffalo Solar look at, your unique use case, whether they can provide, the value that we've seen, and really investigate it. It's worth a call.